Hi everybody, here we are in the Solare kitchen. We're just doing a little impromptu demonstration by the amazing Chef Filippo Piccini. As you're going to learn very soon, this Sunday, May the 3rd, we're going to be serving an amazing roast loin, a pork loin, that is going to be cooked in milk. So it's a very traditional dish from Emilia-Romagna, from Tuscany, from all over. But it is a pork loin that has been cooked in milk. And Chef Filippo, say a quick hi and show everybody what we have.
Ciao, and here we are. Actually, I just turned it off. Basically, the whole loin.
Nice.
You see. Pick it up.
So what you have here is this is an entire pork loin. As you can see, it's been cooking for a long time in basically a broth of milk and more. There's rosemary, there's other flavors. Absolutely incredible what Chef Filippo's done. So as I leave it here and you can see this, the short story is this Sunday, we're taking orders now, but we're going to be able to prepare for 2 people a gorgeous pork loin cooked in milk for this Sunday. It's going to be $40, so $20 a person. Comes with, what's it going to be, a roasted veggie?
Roasted veggie, yeah. I ordered some.
Roasted veggies. We'll have this in a tin that you can reheat if you need to, but hopefully you'll be able to come by Solare. We're doing this as kind of a test run, but we'll be cooking these all morning on Sunday. We'll be open from 4 o'clock till 8 o'clock this Sunday. But if you would like to get one of these, it will sell out. Basically, everybody gets a bone or 2. Show them the bones again, if you would.
Okay.
Awesome. You see the bones on the back, so you get a bone or 2 each. Yep.
Portion for 2.
Yeah, portion for 2 right there. Comes with really wonderful grilled veggies, other mixed veggies.
Yeah, I ordered from the farmer's market of specialty products.
Nice.
Some,
beautiful.
Local veggies. And we're gonna do as a side dish.
Excellent. So anyways, this man here, creative genius, this Sunday, May 3rd, here at Solare, you want to get the pork loin cooked in milk. I would order today or as soon as possible. I'm going to be announcing it in an email blast this evening or tomorrow morning. Give us a call, 619-270-9670. $40 for 2, $20 a person, and comes with the veggies. I just had a small bite. It is delicious.
Some Sichuan pepper. Last touch.
This is the amazing pork loin this Sunday. Awesome. This is a famous Italian dish, pork loin. You see the bones, cooked in milk and rosemary and more.
Sichuan pepper, and it's ready.